We're still several months away from a release, but it's never too early to start hearing speculations regarding the next generation Galaxy S series phones. While the Galaxy S series has grown pretty predictable in the past, there's a possibility that things may change with the Galaxy S24 series. So far, we've heard reports that Samsung may return to employing Exynos CPUs and that its upcoming smartphones may have bigger batteries. Now we're hearing that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have some outstanding display features, including a screen with a maximum brightness of 2800 nits. Sam Mobile broke the story, citing ex-user who revealed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a display that can reach 2200 nits. In general, it's difficult to believe every early rumor or detail, but in this case, Ice Universe has chimed in, sharing that the brightness should actually be higher, and while Ice Universe doesn't provide a number, the original poster does share that they are also seeing test devices that can ramp up to 2500 and 2800 nits of brightness. Samsung seems to be able to achieve these new upper limits by adopting a new OLED panel, which is already being utilized in a retail handset, making its debut with the launch of the Oppo Find X6 Pro. Furthermore, Semable believes that this panel will also make its way into the future iPhone 15 Pro. In terms of other specifics, the original poster also stated that the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra would have consistent screen bezels, which might give it a distinct aesthetic than previous models. Not only does Samsung testing brightnesses up to 2800 nits not necessarily guarantee that we'll see this peak brightness at launch, but there are a number of valid reasons why Samsung wouldn't implement this on a retail device. There are several months before we see an official release, and things might always change, but for now, things are looking fantastic, and we can't wait to see what Samsung delivers with the official release of the Galaxy S24 series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.